Hi, I'm Shantanu Kaushik, and I am Microsoft MVP for Windows Desktop Experience, and I'll be running the session today. Just talking about the agenda for today, what we will be discussing. Okay, the agenda for today is introduction to the new Windows 7 taskbar. We'll be also explaining the live taskbar previews that Windows 7 has. We'll also tell you a trick to make the Windows live taskbar preview faster. Then we'll talk about the jump list, and at last in this session we'll talk about rearranging your taskbar to meet your needs. So what is the new Windows 7 taskbar? With Windows 7, the taskbar has given more than just a facelift. Microsoft rebuilt it and made it better than it was before. Sort of like $6 million man, better, stronger, faster. Okay, maybe not stronger, but pretty powerful nonetheless. Check out some of the ways the taskbar will simplify the way you work, and it will get your work done faster. So, the taskbar has a completely new look. The icons are rearranged. The clock, the show, the desktop icons are all arranged in a way that it's called peak now, the show desktop. We'll be explaining all of that in session 2, but right now we are on to the live taskbar previews. So, in Windows XP, I'll talk about Windows XP because many people still like it. Taskbar shows the programs you have got open and lists the associated files you are working with. With Windows Vista, if you hover over a program on the taskbar, you can see thumbnail images of files you have opened with that program, but you can't interact with the files. I'm switching over to the slide. Sorry for that. Yep. So the live taskbar previews, this is kind of my desktop that you are seeing. I have just hovered over the Microsoft Security Essentials program, and as soon as I hover over the small image, it shows me the live preview of the full window on my desktop. So with Windows 7, you can point to a taskbar icon to see actual images of all your open files or programs. Then move your mouse over the image to preview the window full screen. Click on the screen image and you can start working with it immediately. You can even close windows from the thumbnail previews. That is actually a big time saver. So, sometimes what happens is that you hover over your taskbar and your live preview takes a bit of time. It might be because of a slow processor, less RAM, or a not so good configuration. Your configuration is not to blame on it. The thing is that the resources are used in such a way that all your hardware resources are utilized with Windows 7. So how do you make the preview time faster? We have a small tutorial on that. I'll be sharing it with you. What you have to do is you have to go to your run command. For that you have to press Windows key plus R, or you can simply type regedit in your start menu, and registry editor will open. When your registry editor opens, you have to go to this the particular entry that I have shown in the window. It's in H key current user slash software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer and advanced. When you go to Explorer, that is what you are seeing in this preview, you will see the advanced as the first window. You will open that particular folder, and in that you will see thumbnail live preview hover time. When you double click this entry, a dword value is there. What you are seeing is thumbnail live preview hover time. Now what you have to do is now you will need to set its value to your desired delay time. Double click it. So when you double click it, a window like this will open. Just a second and you'll see it on your screens. Okay, now here it is. You will see it and click on it and select the value base as decimal and enter the desired value. Let's say that the value is currently 4000, right? You can set it to 1000. The 1000 is considered the best value so that it doesn't make it too quick, nor does it make it too slow. So set it to 1000. 1000 is your time in milliseconds. Click OK, and you are done. Your hover time on the live taskbar previews would be increased. Beg your pardon. It would be decreased by a bit, and what will be increased is the performance that it renders you. So one another feature of the new Windows 7 taskbar is the Show the Desktop. Show Desktop has been converted to a small icon on the right hand side of the taskbar that is called arrow peak. So what you have to do is you just have to go to the Show the Desktop icon, and all your windows like it is shown in this slide, exactly when you go to the taskbar on the right hand side, all your windows become invisible. That is how you can know, you can see your taskbar through it. So sometimes you just want all your open windows to go away and leave you alone. So if only for a moment, for maybe just me, perhaps you have something practical in mind, such as having a gander at a gadget on your desktop. Aerobic makes it possible to instantly minimize your open windows with the show desktop. But the show desktop button is a rectangular bar at very end of the taskbar, like a bookend to the start button. Here's how you can use it. Point to the show desktop button and get a quick glimpse of the desktop as open Windows page. If you all are using Windows 7 right now, you just have to hover your mouse over to the show desktop button right where your clock is. And all your windows would be minimized, and you will see your desktop, right? So here it is how to do that. And what about fewer pop-ups? Windows 7 has Windows XP has a hiding your notification icon window, but now it has been changed to this particular sign, which is this is like a balloon. Okay, so how you display fewer pop-ups? In previous version of Windows, notifications were like a pop-up, and alerts were frequently and some interruptions to the workflow. With Windows 7, you can manage the notification area on your taskbar so that there are fewer balloons, and to help you stay on top of your work, they all are in the same place. Whether it is Action Center, it is any program that you can minimize to your taskbar, whether it is Microsoft Security Essentials or any kind of your antivirus or anything. You can also choose which icons to show up in the notification area so that it's not just a cluttered cluster of icons. Yes. Now you get to choose which icons show up there, and you don't have to worry about hidden icons either. All you have to do is click the show hidden icons button on the taskbar to easily see them all again. The next most important feature which all of us crave about is the jump list. So what's good in jump list? You might have got a file, photo or a website you use a lot, right? There are many websites that we bookmark. There are many programs that we want to be reachable to us in a handy way. Or there are many particular locations as folders or files, pictures, videos that we want so that we can just access them on a single click. So the taskbar gives you a quick way to find the programs and files you've got open. With Windows 7, you'll see the next big jump. I hope I'm audible now. There was some problem with the particular voice analysis program. Okay. I was talking about rearranging your taskbar. When you first start using Windows 7, each of your programs appears as an individual unlabeled button. It looks very neat and tidy. So, wouldn't it be great if you could change the way your taskbar buttons look and how they group together when you have a bunch of open programs at once? With Windows 7 taskbar, you can customize each and everything that you love about your taskbar. So, okay, if you're not happy with the order of your taskbar buttons, now you can rearrange them in the order you want. That's very a simple step for you. What you have to do is you have to right click on your taskbar and click on lock the taskbar. Okay, I'll be getting to jump list once again. Some people missed it. Okay, what about jump list? Okay. So whenever you use your computer, there is a lot of stuff that you guys like to access on a regular basis. Say there are some songs, some movies, your personal files, your personal folders that you have to reach as soon as possible, as quick as possible. So jump list help you do that. Say in your live desktop preview right now, what are you seeing is the jump list for your Windows Media Player. So here are two tracks that I use most often to hear. Okay, phone is there, but okay, I use that a lot. Let's assume that. Or there are some internet sites that you added to your favorites and you have bookmarked them and you want them to be very handy without opening the Internet Explorer itself. So what you have to do is you have to just right click on your Internet Explorer icon and you will see all your bookmarked or favorite sites over there. So you can just like that easily you can click on the particular link and it will open in the new window so that you can access it at your doorstep. Same applies with the folders or any kind of a program that you want to pin to your taskbar. You can have a jump list for each and every program that we use most often. So jump list is something that you can use very easily without going through a lot of files and folders, and you can access your particular program and a particular file or a particular document at ease. That is what jump lists do. To add a program to the jump list, you just have to unlock your taskbar, right click on that particular program and add it to the jump list. It's as easy as that.